It's me again. What have I got on the menu today? I got a little bit of something for you. And let me tilt the camera down and I'll show you what I got. Ah. Alright, what do I got here? Anyway, last time I made a video of, I think it was a shiny Milwaukee. Right, let me turn this loose here. I had a shiny Milwaukee. There was a Vicegrips brand one. There was a Crescent French one, and this one's a Bremen. Anyway, this time I picked up this one, which is Black Diamond. So if you want to see what the same one is, this is a Black Diamond Vicegrip. It's an itty bitty one. See, it's a little tiny tiger. So now we'll find out who's making. Well, maybe not. They all look the same to me, to be honest. I think I don't know. Let's take a look here. Like I always say, the best way to get, what do you call it? Zip ties off. Just ta-da. Anyway, this one is, if you can believe it or not, no, I'm not lying to you. This one's made in China. See, Fabrico Shin. It is a 5-inch Black Diamond, yada yada yada. Picked it up at Runnings. I don't know anything about Black Diamond tools. Genuine tradesman tools. Okay, throw that garbage. So anyway, to me it looks like it's got the little, like all the knurlings are different sizes, obviously different. I would say the jaws on me, I don't know, Christ. They all pretty look the same. This looks like this one, and see this one. This one has like the old Vicegrips have like a goldish look. All the new ones all have a similar finish, but they're, I don't know, they don't have that whatever the hell they put in this thing to make it obviously golden. See, this says CR-V. This one says CRNZ. This one says C5C. This one says 5WR, and that one says CRMO. Maybe the MO is this one. So they all have different style pins in here. This one's got like a round, this pin stuck in there. I don't know how, what do you call it, did it, but it looks like maybe they mooshed it in there somehow. Not sure how the old Vicegrips did it. This is an old Peterson Vicegrip, small one. Maybe I'll buy a new Irwin one to see what the difference is. See, this one's a little. This one's got a one-sided rivet where it's pounded in here. Same thing, same style of rivet here. Like there's a little. See the little tiny rivet right here? It's got this side and then that side. Well, this one's some bigger head on the rivet, smaller on that side. The original Peterson has this like little tiny thing in there right here. See, and the rest of them. See, this one has it's been mushroomed on both sides, so that doesn't guarantee you won't come out. And even the Bremen one, Harbor Freight job, has a better rivet than most of them. Right here, see, this one's got rivet mushroomed on both sides, mushroomed both sides. This one's not too cool. This one's got one. These ones are flatter. This one's like, it's weird. This one, the Milwaukee one's got a nice flat rivet on this side and a big bulky one. Like they couldn't, whatever factory it was, they couldn't mush it down properly. So I don't know. This one looks a little, yeah, see, if you look at this rivet right here, it looks a little sloppy. Like they did a sloppy ass job on the rivets. But I mean, for a cheap Vicegrip, it opens and closes. It lines up pretty good when you close it. Unlike some of them, that one lines up perfectly. This one lines up perfectly. The Crescent one is see, Crescent one's actually the worst one. This one's actually the worst one to line up, see. And the Bremen one, look, the Bremen one closes fine. I'll show you. I'll put them all next to each other so you can see. The tips on them. The crescent one, which is on right here, is the worst one. And all the heads look the same. Pretty much same thing. So they basically just did different styles. I think whoever's stamping these things out, basically it's like the same damn thing. It's just like, okay, like this one's got a little, you can see where the machine went doom, 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 and doom here. Like it's just same crap. So anyway, just to make a long story short, I own more Vicegrips. Locking Pliers. Anyway, if you like Locking Pliers, I'm going to buy everyone on the planet till I drop dead. So, you know, you got a splinter in me now. I don't like splinters. Anybody like splinters? Got a little piece of metal in my finger now. See what I get for doing Vicegrip reviews? I get pinched with metal. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Oh wait, I forgot the other one. Hold on. I also picked up this one right here. Vulcan. Hencho in China. It's a El Cheapo Vulcan. Warning. Cancer and reproductive harm. What the hell is this? P65warnings.ca.gov. Made in China. It says China on it. What the hell is it? What's a cancer warning on here? There's a cancer frickin' warning on Vicegrips. Anybody know what that's about? P65warnings.ca.gov. Made in China. Fabric in China. I don't remember where I bought this. I don't know if I bought this at Walmart or Home Depot or Canadian Tire or whatever. I think I paid about $7 for it. So, well, this one too, it's the tip. If you look at the tip on it, it is poorly grown, like severe. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like severely warped in the front. Not that anybody really cares, but like, I guess actually if you look at it, I don't know if it's on this angle here, but the way they shaved it down, it's like wobbled or lopsided. They didn't even do a good job. It's pretty shitty, but I mean, it has a nice feel. Like, I'll use the original jobs here. It has that. You could actually hold on to this. I was doing some work with it. It was in my new house I'm working on, and it actually you can hold on to it. Some of the other ones are just too damn slippery. Like the newer ones, they don't put that. They don't put the little grittiness on there. Probably that's the cancer-causing thing, and that's so. Anyway, thanks for watching. More Locking Pliers. You'll see these again and again and again. So thanks for watching. Toodles.